Howdy, Possum Patty here, and I've got mail, so come on along. Today I got some surprise mail from Angie, the crafter full of laughter. So let's see what she sent. Ooh. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? Oh my gosh. It says thank you. Oh, I won the giveaway. Thank you for watching until the end and entering my giveaway. Oh, so this was from the giveaway. Look at this beautiful topper on this bag. Best Witches. And there's a little fairy under a mushroom. Oh, I love this. Oh, I think this is from that paper pad that she was hauling that was just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I don't want to rip it. I don't want to rip it. I don't want to rip it. Try not to rip. Of course, I could have pulled out the staples, right? Sorry for all my fussing here, but I have a bag of goodies. Wow! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I can't believe it. Some lightning, silver lightning. Look at the kitties. Oh, I can't go through all of this with you. But spiders and witches and monsters and skulls and pumpkins. And a one-eyed monster. Look at that skull. Look at the witch. And Boo and Frankenstein. Oh, so fun. Look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Ooh, silver lightning. I know where that needs to go. Oh, look at this sparkly black cat. Eek. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Thank you, Angie. Look at the ghost. Purple pumpkin. Oh, there is so much here. So much, so much, so much, so much. And a bone. Oh, thank you, Angie. Wow. Gosh, must be 100 pieces here. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to move this aside, and I have another happy mail I want to share with you. And I got an envelope from Sharon at Connections of Lives and Interests 2020. And she stamped the envelope. Very nice. And I opened it up, and there was a beautiful handmade card. Wishing you a holiday filled with the warmth of caring, the joy of giving, and the love of friends and family. And this is all stamped and collaged. Beautiful mixed media piece. And there's a little letter on the back. But she's just wishing me a very blessed Thanksgiving for me and my family. And I want to thank you and wish everybody else a blessed Thanksgiving too. Oop, I left out a little pumpkin here. I thought I cleaned up. Okay, I have something else I want to share with you. Stand by. Okay, you may remember that I was talking about this simple wooden tree and that Mr. Possum was going to make me some and I was going to decorate it for Christmas. Well, he made me a few of them. And this white one is for me, and as you can see, I haven't decorated it yet, but it is ready for decoration. It has a stand, one of those non-slip rubber pieces on the bottom. He put little eyelets on there for me to hang up decorations, and he made another one for his daughter that I decorated, so I'm going to move the camera over so you can see that one. And here it is. This is a wide-angle camera, so I have to start way back here. but I'm going to move up closer so you can see all the details. And this one has sort of like a spray speckled finish. There are 3 cardinals, and they have the real feather on the tail. And I did glue some of the snowflakes to the tree, and I hung little ornaments from the eyes. I have a red sparkle, a pine cone with some snow on it, and then these little clay ornaments that I bought at Hobby Lobby. Some more of these little snowflakes. And I got a sort of a brown, sort of rusty farmhouse look, more primitive look. A little mitten, another little pine cone, another little red ball. This is a little clay reindeer, another one of those bells, a little birdhouse, and another little red ball. And I bought this skirt at the Hobby Lobby, so I hope she likes it. And I did put the set of lights on there from the Dollar Tree. Let me see if I can get those lit. Oh, let me show you what I did. I just wrapped them around up the middle. She can change that if she wants to. And on the back, let me turn it around here, I Velcroed the battery pack to the stand so it won't fall off, but yet she can take it off to change the batteries and turn it on like that. See if I turn the light off here, what happens. There we go. And there's my first Christmas tree. Now, you know I'm not much at the DIY. Mr. Possum made the tree. All I had to do was decorate it. Okay, one more thing. I think I'm going to go ahead and take Sharon's card and stick it in my journal right away, because I'm supposed to be doing daily journaling and catch-up journaling and nature journaling. And I think this would make a lovely addition to my journal. Do I have to make a pocket so I can keep what's on the back? I might have to do that. All right, so I think I'm just going to quickly cut a piece of paper on here as a background, make a pocket, put this in the pocket, and then maybe use this picture on the outside. And this is a really funny story. See this turkey and these children sitting? And this is my classroom. And yes, Possum Patty was a teacher. That was, I think that was 3rd grade. I love teaching 3rd grade. The kids are wonderful at that age. And that's kind of cute. I decided that I was going to take a turkey to school, and that the children were going to, instead of eat turkey, they would have a turkey as the guest. And they would cook some food, but no turkey, and bring it in and set up the table and serve everybody. They're going to do it all themselves. They organized the whole thing. I was very big on letting kids take responsibility for things. And let me go get my scraps. Yeah, so I like when kids take responsibility and organize things and plan things, because it gives them good life experience. And this is what I did. I was that one crazy teacher in a school that did all this stuff, let me tell you. I went to a local turkey farm, and they always had some turkeys out in front of their office on display. And I kind of like this one. And they dyed them different colors. They were pink and blue and yellow. And they were very fun. I don't know, so I got it in my head one day to go to the turkey farm and ask them if I could take a turkey to school with me. And they had no idea who I was. I just walked into the office and I said, "Can I have a turkey? I'm just going to take it to school and I'll bring it back at the end of the day." And they said, "Sure, no problem." They put a turkey in a crate, threw it in the back of my truck, and I took it to school. And the first thing is I had the children name the turkey, and the name that they came up with was Mayflower, because we had been studying the Mayflower. And so they named the turkey Mayflower. And while the kids were setting up the room, you can see here they pushed all the tables together and they brought in tablecloths, they brought in decorations, they brought in food, they brought in plates and silverware, they brought in everything. They did everything themselves. All right, so while they were setting up the room, I let the turkey go visit the music room, because this was a mini magnet school, and we had a special music program, and these kids had music classes, I'd say 4 times a week at least, 3 or 4 times a week, except for the 4th graders had it more often because they performed an opera, and then they performed the Mayflower dance and all this stuff. Well, anyway, so I sent the turkey over to the music room. And so all the classes came to the music room, and they got to sing their little Thanksgiving songs to the real turkey. And they were so thrilled with this. So then my class was ready for their dinner, and I went and I got the turkey and I brought it back. And the turkey just walked around the room, and the kids had their little Thanksgiving feast. And we had a lot of fun. And at the end of the day, I stuck Mayflower back into her crate and took her back to the turkey farm. And to this day, I don't think any other teacher in the town ever took the truck out to the turkey farm, got a turkey, and brought it to school. Now, we were in the city, and so most of these, these were city kids. They didn't know too much about farming. So it was such a thrill for them to see this turkey. And the turkey was just as friendly as can be. It never pecked anybody. It just walked around. It was interested in everybody. Very mild-mannered turkey. I've seen some turkeys that were quite nasty and territorial. But this turkey, nope, this turkey was friendly as can be. Oh, I didn't make that wide enough, did I? Oh, I don't think this is going to be big enough for this. Oh, this card's got to go in the pocket. Oh, you know what? I can make this the pocket. That the background, this the pocket. I wanted to leave some of this painted paper on the edge. That's why I made it that small. But the pocket's going to have to be bigger because the card's a little bigger. Alright. So I'm going to go glue this down, and I'll be right back. I think I'm going to put a truck up here because that reminds me of the old truck that I had one time. And also the fact that I picked up the turkey and brought it to school in the back of my truck. That was a blue truck. This reminds me of the old green truck that I had. I've had several trucks. And I think this makes for a very fun page for Sharon's beautiful card that she gave me. I think I'm going to trim this just a little bit more so we can see some more of the background. This paper I don't think was from a paper pack. I think I bought this as a single sheet. And I'm just going to put it right there. And don't the colors go really nicely with the page? Not that it matters in a junk journal. I'm just going to use my glue stick. And I just want to thank you for joining me today for a little of this and a little of that. My happy mail, my winnings from Angie, my Christmas tree project, and my journaling. Oh, and I looked on the back of this picture. This is 1995. 1995. What's that? Oh my gosh. 26 years ago. 26 years ago. So that means these kids are in their 30s. Mamma mia. Turkey goes to school. Wait, I gotta turn this around and write it. Oh, I can write it up here, huh? This was room 6. Okay, Mayflower the turkey. I'll be right back. It's kind of hard writing in here. I had to kind of turn it, get my hand in there. But I put Thanksgiving 1996. Mayflower the turkey is a guest in room 6. And, okay, where's my happy mail? Here's my happy mail. We go into my little happy Thanksgiving page. We have the present and the past. Thanksgiving 2021 and Thanksgiving memories. All right. Once again, thanks for coming along. Bye-bye now.